Thank you for your purchase from Ideal Cabinets. In this video, you will learn how to assemble our Lazy Susan cabinet. To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill with a Phillips head bit, a rubber mallet, a nail gun. While a pneumatic nail gun will make the job easier, you can also use a hammer with 2D finish nails. This is a larger cabinet, so having a second person to help will make things easier. Find both frame pieces. Insert dowels into the pre-drilled holes in piece 1. Then slide piece 2 into the dowels. Secure the pieces together using 2 shorter black wood screws. Stand the frame up, making sure the hinge notches are on the left for a left opening door or on the right for a right opening door. Locate the side pieces and slide them into the frame, ensuring the toe kicks face inward and the long grooves face the inside of the cabinet. Lay the cabinet flat with the front frame facing down and the side pieces pointing up. Slide the bottom panel with the pre-attached turntable into the grooves. Nail the sides to the bottom to secure them in place. Place a bracket on the base of the cabinet for support. Now, it's time to attach the toe kick. Attach brackets to the toe kick, securing them together at a 90-degree angle. Screw the toe kick into the cabinet base. Then, place one back piece on one side and secure it with 3 shorter black screws. Insert center back piece and secure with short black wood screws. Next, slide on the other side back piece and secure with short black wood screws. Lay both door pieces flat on a table, screw in the angled bracket, and place it into the holes of the second door. Use the pre-drilled holes and short screws to attach it. Loosen and adjust the center screw to a setting between 20 and 25 to allow the hinge to move more freely during assembly. Make final adjustments once install is complete. Finally, apply 4 bumpers to the door. Place the cabinet on the floor for the next steps. Now attach the doors to the cabinet. Align the hinges with the notches and screw them into the cabinet box. Then from the inside of the cabinet, use a long black wood screw to drill through the outside, positioning them just above the wooden cleats on both sides of the cabinet. Now install the second Lazy Susan. Secure it with 2 long blackwood screws on the outside of the cabinet. Finally, place the top wooden support on the wooden cleats using the remaining 2 long wood screws to secure it in place. Now your Lazy Susan cabinet is fully assembled. Thank you for purchasing from Ideal Cabinets.